Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about antidiuretic hormone, that is ADH. So many people think that ADH is synthesized at posterior pituitary, but it is not the case. They are synthesized at hypothalamus, namely supraoptic and paraventricular nucleus. So supraoptic nucleus synthesize about 85% of ADH, whereas paraventricular nucleus secretes only 15% of ADH. So why there is a wrong interpretation that they are synthesized at posterior pituitary? Because they are synthesized at hypothalamus, then they are taken into posterior pituitary, where it is released into circulation when they are needed. Let me explain. So, one of the most important stimulus for ADH secretion is hyperosmolarity of ECF, extracellular fluid. That basically means there is increased sodium concentration. So when it happens, this supraoptic and paraventricular nucleus in anterior hypothalamus gets stimulated. So this nucleus basically means collection of cell bodies in our CNS. They are magnocellular neurons, that means they are large neurons present at supraoptic and paraventricular nucleus. They have their extension into posterior pituitary, that is responsible for transport of this synthesized ADH into posterior pituitary. Now let us see how it is actually transported into circulation. So we already talked that this is the stimulus, hyperosmolarity of ECF. So when this is present, these nucleus are stimulated, they synthesize ADH, their cell body, their axon basically transport them into posterior pituitary, and they stay there inside vesicles in these neurons. So when they are stimulated, action potential gets generated that propagates downward from nucleus to terminal end of axons, and it increases calcium permeability of its membrane, due to which now it releases this ADH into posterior pituitary, and finally from posterior pituitary they get into circulation, blood vessel, that is systemic circulation. Here we have ADH. So this is exactly how ADH is synthesized in our body. In the next video we will talk the mechanism of action of ADH, how it acts in our kidney cells to regulate our ECF volume. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.